Okay, good morning. Welcome to a beautiful sunny day in the New Forest. This is first job of the day. Probably the only job today, actually, to be honest. So, because it's so bloody hot. It's a family member, so it's a freebie. And as you can see, it's quite heavily stained there. So we can get all that up. Just getting set up, and let's get into it. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but it's all done. A bit out of breath because it's so hot out here. And I forgot to bring my inhaler. So all the mud's off. It's been treated as well. Get all the black spots off. Down the side of the garage. Dad's not too worried about the grass, so he's replacing that soon anyway, so yeah, it's not too bad. Right, all done, job one. Very pleased with the pressure washer as well. So onwards and upwards. See you in a bit.